are going to love the 2020 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, cloth seats, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.